Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we're going to learn how to install Python on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and we will also learn to install IDLE along with Python, which will be very helpful in development. So open any of your favorite browser, and at the very top you just need to type Python, and once you type it, hit enter. And here please make sure that you visit welcome to python.org. So I'll click on that and a new window will appear like this. Now here we need to go to this download section. From here we can download the latest version. I can see Python 3. Is the latest version, so we can install. Note that Python 3.9 cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So I'll install the latest version. I'll just click on that, and a very small file of 27 megabytes will be downloaded. So once it is downloaded, we just need to open it. So I can see it's almost completed, and I'll click on open file. Once you do that, a new window will appear like this. Install Python 3.64-bit and install now. Includes IDLE, PIP and documentation. We can also select customize installation, but I would recommend to select this one. And once you click on that, it will start initializing and it will ask you to say yes, so please click on that. So I can see Python setup was successful, and here we just need to click on close. I can see the icons here, so you can check the version. You just need to type cmd and then run as an administrator. Here you need to type py -- version and hit enter. I can see it showing the version Python 3.10.0, which is the latest version. I hope this quick tutorial has helped you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.